Yo guys, what's up? So today we are gonna do linear approximation. So linear appro linear approximation is when you use the tangent line of a function at a point to estimate the function's value near that point. So basically using a point which we already know and the derivative to find the exact value of function at a different point. Yeah. What's the formula for this? The formula is fx is equal to f of a plus f of a dash. This is derivative at the point we already know, and x minus a. X is the thing we want to know, like at the point we want to get, and a is the point we already know. So we'll take an example. I don't know how to like value we already know, a value we already know. Then slope of the tangent line, derivative slope of the tangent line. X minus a is the small step you're taking. Then we'll take an example. So normally in some of the questions you will get the value of a, but in some of the questions it won't be like directly they'll give the value of a. So yeah. Alright, so we'll take an question, and the question is use, I'll write linear approximation as LA. I will write it, yeah. So you need to pay attention. Then to find root 10 using a is equal to 9. So like whenever we have to find, like, so I need to find the value of root 10, and we need to first identify which function is this. So it's under the root function, so f of x is equal to root x. Okay, so and here we need to find the value of 10, so x is equal to 10, and a is given in this question. So we'll just put the formula of is f of a plus f of a dash x minus a. That's the formula, we can just put it in. So f of a root 9 plus derivative of 1 by 2 root x, derivative of f of x is equal to, I'll just show you, 1 by 2 root x. You can find this by like by x 1 by 2, like from chain rule you can find x 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1. I mean, you should already know this, but if someone doesn't know, I'm putting here 1 by 2 root x minus a 10 minus 9. So root 9 plus 1 by 2 root 9, 10 minus 9, 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 is equal to 3 plus 1 by 6 is the answer. You can solve this, you will get like 18, 19 by 6. Then we can take one more question. I'll do like 2-3 questions. We'll do we'll do one of some other function, like maybe this one. So in this question we need to find a to e to power 0.1. A is given, so f of x is equal to e to power x x is equal to 0.1, a is equal to 0. You know the formula, f of x is equal to f of x, sorry, f of a plus f of a dash x minus a. This is the derivative, and we can just put it in. So f of a, so we can just put e to f of x is equal to e to power, so e to power 0 plus e to power x. The derivative of e to power x is e to power x. You should know this, but I'm still telling you. Like e to power x is equal to f of x, and the derivative, like if you differentiate at dy by dx, you'll get e to power x. And maybe you can, like, I'm not gonna prove, but you can prove like you can get this by the first the definition of derivative. Do you guys know the definition of derivative? If you don't, like, just learn it. It's like limit h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x h. Like if you want to prove, you can prove it. But yeah, e to power 0 plus e to power 0 and 1 by 10 minus 0. So 1 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 11 by 10. Yeah. Most of the questions, like whenever you are finding approximate, like after you need to first identify the function and then identify the a, and you can get the answer. We'll do one of the questions in which, like, those stuff, like a is not directly given. It was like one of on my midterm, like practice midterm. I need to find it. Give me a minute. Alright, I'll put the question on the board, but like on the screen when I edit it. But I already did it. I'll just explain it. Like, I did not do this. Alright, so I'll just start from here. I'll just put the question here. So the question says, you are stranded on a desert island with poor Wi-Fi access and need to approximate root 2. So we need to find the root 2, value of root 2. So from here we can find f of x is equal to root x is equal to 2. Then we just need to find a. Fortunately, you already know that 14 square is equal to 196 and that d root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Use calculus, the simple equation. 2 is equal to 196 by 100 plus 1 by 25. So it says 1 by 25 is quite small to find an approximate value for root 2. Test your answer by computing its square to 4 decimal places. So it said 114 square is equal to 196, and then in another equation it said like 14 square by 100. We can get a hint, like if we take root of 196 by 100, we'll get like 1.4. So here a is equal to 196 by 100. So we'll put in the equation f of x is equal to f of a plus f of a dash x minus a, and then we can find. So f of a is equal to 196 by 100 root of 196 by 100 plus if we, so a 1, we can like root a x minus a, and x minus a's value is already given, like 2 minus 196 by 100 is 1 by 25. So 14 by 10 plus 1 by 2, I mean the square root of, you will get this, and like this is just reciprocal of this, so like 14 not 10, and 196, so x is root 2, sorry, yeah, x is 2, so 2 minus 196 by 100, you'll get like 1 by 25. So 14 by 10 plus 10 by 28, 1 by 25, got 2 5. So 14 by 10 plus 14, 1 by 70. If we calculate this, 1 divided by 70 plus 1.4, we'll get like 1.414, 1.414, and it's pretty accurate to root 2, almost like very close. I mean these 4 decimal points or 3 decimal points, it's right. So yeah, that's how you do it, and you can like do some more practice questions.